Achieving daily sales on Poshmark is actually quite straightforward. Today, I'll guide you through the process of how you can consistently generate sales on Poshmark. To begin, you'll need to access Google and navigate to the Poshmark website. Now let's delve into what Poshmark is all about. Poshmark is a platform where you can sell your fashion items. Now, to achieve daily sales, you need to make yourself stand out. How can you do that? Well, one effective strategy is to increase your activity on the platform. Try to post your products more frequently and share them actively. Additionally, you can reach out to influencers and offer them your products for review. If they like what you offer, they might share a review, which can attract more attention to your products. Another option is to run advertisements to expand your reach. By implementing these strategies, you can grow your audience, leading to increased sales. And there you have it. That's the key to achieving daily sales on Poshmark. I hope you find this information helpful.